Good morning everyone. Today we'll discuss about how to create the watermarks, or you can say background designs in the presentations. So for that we have to use the slide masters. Now we can see the blank slide is already displaying on the screen. So what I'll do, I'll go for the views and there you will get the slide masters. So here I have selected that slide master. In that slide master you can see that one. So when I click on that, it will display all the slides designs, layouts you can say. So I have selected the first slide. Here the whatever information you are giving or whatever graphic you are doing, that all design and graphics will be displayed and applicable to all the slides. So I removed all the things what I not needed in my further presentations. So I have selected the blank presentation, blank slide. So here in that slide just you can insert whatever designs, pictures or graphics, so you can make your own designs also. So what I'll do, you can see here, so different types of graphics can be selected, the already which you have stored in the system. So here what I'll do, I'll take the some logos from the stored, which is stored in the system itself. So I just place where I want. According to that presentation requirement, you can place the graphic, and you can use this particular basic shapes also to design some, to create some graphics. So with that you can create the different types of design according to your creativity. So that should be looking nice when you are giving the presentations, when you are running on the PPT. So here, so I have taken the logo and I place in the right upper corner. So after that I selected the box, and this box will use to type the informations. So here I'll type the information regarding that particular subject. So and also I have to mention the headings, place for headings also. So here I just resizing that logo, and after that I'll select a box and I'll specify the area to type the heading also. So a little bit I will decrease this size. Yes, okay. So now I'll take in the other one box and I'll place it for to display the headings of that respected slides. Okay, so this is the one raw design will be there. With that you can create some more things. So I'll adjust this logo with perfect manner. So if I want some display the watermark, the in between the slides also, you can take the any logos. What I'll do, I'll take the same logo what it is displaying in the upper right corner. I'll take the copy of that and I'll place it in the middle of the slide. So when I will take this one, here you can see that one set as a background. So when I give the set as a background, it will cover whole slide. So it will cover by heading and that one. So if you don't want to that much of big size, so you can resize that. Just you can go for the undo and just resize according to your requirement. So this is okay. I'll make it now. I'll go for okay. Now it is a little bit center of your slide. Okay, now I'll go for the colors, and here water wash. So when you select the water wash, color will become the tint, means it will, and you can adjust that contrast also. You can make it dark and light, somewhat, then look nice. Okay, so this is a completion of design what I did regarding the background, how to set the background and how to make the water wash designs in your PPTs. So now I'll go for the insert new slide. When I click on that insert new slide, it will give the another slide, and in that slide also the same design, the graphic information you given in the slide master first slide. So same thing will be followed by second slide also. When you go on third, fourth, like that, there is no any change because that will be present on the slide. So here you can type whatever informations you needed regarding your presentation informations. You can type the headings on the heading place what I have mentioned, and below that big box you can give the detailed subject, detailed information about that what subject you like to tell. So hope you understood. uh, I think it is very useful when you are giving the presentation. Our presentation will give the very good impression. So when you are giving the seminars, assignments, at that time it will look very nice, making these all background designs, and side also you can mention your company logos and these all things. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Thank you.